Okay, well, today is engine installation day. Got a couple of brohams here. And there's the victim car. Try to put it right here in this here hole. Hook it onto those exhaust pipes eventually. Should be fun. This is a picture of how we set up the car to be in position for putting the engine in. We move it there on those roller skates you can see under each wheel. And we actually lower it down a little further on the front. We take the wheels off and lower it onto jack stands. That gives us the least amount of height to clear. The engine we're installing is brand new from Blueprint. It's a 350, and the transmission there has been rebuilt. It's a Saginaw 4-speed that came originally with the car. Yes, nobody get underneath the engine.
We've got the thing with the clutch, and what is this gizmo for?
That's part of mounting the shifter. All right, Paul, here we go. Going up.
Going up. You got enough room between the jack stands, or it's tight enough to get the legs around it?
I hope.
Higher.
You have to go a little higher.
Let me know when to stop.
Still, we gotta hit now.
Yeah. Okay, we'll go. How much more do you have?
I don't know, Paul. I think we have enough. We did it before.
Your oil pan needs a little more. Okay, you're
I think
there.
we're
You're
good.
there.
First
You're
line.
there.
First
You're
line.
being real close.
Don't let it scratch.
Wow. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. You got it.
There we go.
Okay, now you gotta start. Stop. Now you gotta tip it.
Okay, let me get on the cranker.
Are you gonna?
Using the wrong hand.
I moved it up. Hopefully, it's gonna go good. Coming. Keep coming.
Well, it's
Just a
almost,
little bit.
it's only got like an inch.
Wait. No. Push forward. Okay, now stop. Okay, now crank this guy again. And you'll be able to come down a little bit. All right, come down, Mike.
Oh, I think we have to go forward, don't
A
we?
little bit. Okay, stop.
That's good.
Okay.
And then come down, bring it down just a little bit. You gotta clear the tunnel.
Quite a bit of room now.
Okay, and
Can I go back?
a little bit. You gotta go in more.
You got
But-
And then Mike, crank this guy again.
Okay. You want to tip it more?
Tip it more.
You can come down about 3 inches down.
Well, I want to clear the pan.
All right. All right, coming down.
3 or 4
Yeah,
inches.
come down a little bit.
Good.
Good.
About 2 inches.
All right, now push forward.
There
Okay, now go down.
we go. Firewall.
You come down. Stop.
Yeah.
And go in. And come down a little bit. Okay, good. You're clear. Keep coming down.
Are we going to clear the front here?
Yeah, you're already clear.
Okay. You know me.
You push in a little bit if you want. There you go. Now go down.
There you go.
Let me know if you need to
Got
go
about
up.
Right,
a
stop.
foot, got about a foot in the
Now you gotta go back.
Hold the engine back?
No.
What's back? Go back toward the firewall.
Keep going, pushing in, yeah.
Down?
A little bit.
Or the motor mount. Oh, we got a little
Right,
bit.
stop.
Okay.
Stop. Now you can level it
Okay.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Crank. Careful, I tend to skin my nipples on things. Down, up, good.
Well, the bell housing's hitting the
Yeah,
firewall
go down a little
now.
bit, Mike. Go
You
down a
got,
little bit.
yeah, you've got about a foot.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, and stop.
Yeah, we're very close
Push
to the
back.
motor mounts.
Push
Back,
back.
okay.
Okay, keep coming down. Slowly. Yep, stop. All right, you gotta get a little more level.
You're down.
Okay, I'm sitting on, almost sitting on one.
What do you need me to do? Down,
Yeah.
down?
Are you lined up over your
Yeah,
motor
so the
mount?
tab back here is hitting the.
It was at this point that we slowly determined that the motor mounts that were on the engine were not quite wide enough. We could only get either the left or the right bolted in place. No matter which side we chose, the other was off by like a 1/4 inch. So, you know, after much trial and error, you could see us fiddling and pushing and cajoling and raising and tilting. None of that worked. So we ended up giving up John and I drove to the hardware store, brought one of the motor mounts and had a look at their new motor mounts and made sure that they were a little bit wider, and sure enough they were like between 1/4 and 1/8 of an inch wider. So we came back and installed with those motor mounts, but my gosh, we were done in like 5 minutes. The rest of the time was what you're looking at now. A lot of head scratching, a lot of suggestions, you know, the usual kind of stuff. So this is what ended up happening with the original motor mounts. This one here, you can see the bolt has gone through and the little metal tang is sitting on top of the, what we've been calling the porch there. That one looks fine. This is the other motor mount that's not quite making it. You can see that the hole through the monument's not lining up with the oval on the gold part of the motor mount. And also the tab at the top is not coming over the crest of the monument. So it's just not fitting. And if we switch from side to side, you just move the problem to the other side. Here's the engine, and it's actually mounted. There's the gold colored motor mount right there. We had to take the fuel pump off because it was going to interfere right here. So that's another problem to be solved. Yeah, we ended up having to go to the store and get a new set of motor mounts because the ones that we bought were also off. Just a little, like 1/8 of an inch. Just enough to screw us up. But at least the motor didn't have to come back out. We just lifted it up and put new mounts on. Now Paul and Steve are down here trying to attach the transmission cross member. So that's basically the end of the video. If you'd like to see some bonus video, keep watching. Get on the cranker.
Oh, you're gonna...
I looped it up, hopefully it's gonna go good.
Yeah, you might want to jack it up a little bit more.
Keep
Push it in.
coming, keep coming.
Well, it's
Just a
almost,
little bit.
it's only got like 1 inch.
Wait, no. Push forward. Okay, now stop. Okay, now crank this guy again. And you'll be able to come down a little bit. All right, come down, Mike.
I think we have to go forward, don't we?
A little bit. Okay, stop.
That's good.
Okay,
Now you come down, bring it down just a little bit, because you gotta clear the tunnel.
A little bit of room there.
Okay.
Can I go back?
A little bit. You gotta go in more.
That's what I
And then
meant.
crank this guy again.
Okay, you want to tip it more?
Tip it more.
You can come down about 3 inches.
Well, I want to clear the pan. All right.
All right, coming down?
3-4
Yeah,
inches.
come down a little bit.
Good.
Good.
Got about 2 inches.
All right, now push forward.
There we go.
Okay, now go down.
Firewall.
Keep coming down. Stop.
Yeah.
And go in. And come down a little bit. Okay, good. You're clear. Keep coming down.
Are we going to clear the front here?
Yeah, you're already clear.
Okay. You know what I mean?
You push in a little bit if you want. There you go. Now go down.
There you go.
Let me know if you need me to
All
level.
right, stop.
Got about a foot in the
Now you gotta go back.
Pull the engine back?
No.
What's back? Go back towards the firewall.
Keep going, pushing in, yeah.
Down?
A little bit.
Where the motor mount? Oh, you get a
All
little
right, stop.
smoothly.
Stop. Now you can level it.
Okay.
A little bit.
Yeah, you got.
This is the harder one.
Yeah, I know.
Here.
I don't think you need to worry about the weight or anything. It's just, it's awkward.
Want me to do it?
I got my glove on, so.
That doesn't have the nicest handle on it.
No. 3D print something.
You want me to,
If you want to crank, careful. I tend to skin my knuckles on things. Down, up, good.
the bell housings?
Yeah, go down a little bit, Mike. Go down a little bit.
Yeah, you've got about a foot.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Okay, and stop.
Good, then we're very close.
Push
to
back.
motor mounts.
Push back.
Okay.
Okay, keep coming down. Slowly. Stop. All right, you gotta get a little more level.
You're telling him to
Okay,
stop.
I'm sitting on, almost sitting on one.
What do you need me to do? Up, down,
Steve,
down?
are you lined up over your
Yeah,
motor
so the
mount?
tab back here is hitting the firewall.
Yeah, I know, but
you still got to get this.
you got to get.
Because,
Oh,
well, because
fuck.
of the interference there.
Can we go down? Will that do it?
I don't know if we go your way a little bit, Paul.
Yeah. Well, yes.
Well,
No.
If I lower it, will it help or hurt?
well, if we tip it more, I think that'll help. So
Wait, stop! You're sitting
Up
on
or
the
down?
Let me.
Okay, go ahead. You're flattening it.
Yeah.
Wait, stop. I gotta come back.
What are you hitting?
I need to
You
come.
need a push. Okay.
There.
This is now I've got about.
And on this side.
So the tab
So
is
bring
about
it-
the middle of the motor mount. So I'm
Okay.
like 2 inches. out.
Our problem is we're hitting that stupid thing.
So are we
Oh, you're-
screwed? Do we have to replace it with a flat like
I
this?
You're
think if
cocked
you-
at an angle.
I think once you tip it level, you'll get
I
a little
think
more
you'll
clearance.
get more.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, nice.
Oh, hold on,
Stop,
You're hitting
stop.
motor mount now.
Just twist it.
Are you on it?
Paul,
Yeah.
this
Go
side
up.
forward. This angle forward. There you go.
Okay, I'm over mine.
Yeah.
You
Are
just
you
need
over
about a
yours?
half inch.
Are you over yours?
Well,
About
I
a
need
half inch,
about
Paul.
a half
In,
inch back.
in.
Yeah.
Just twist the engine more.
Are we even going to be able to get those brackets off?
Yeah, they unbolt them.
I can't have room.
Yes.
Yeah, I think once it
Okay.
levels out. Okay, now we got interference here.
Do you need me to go up or down or?
In. At an angle, like you did last time.
I
Just
know.
about a half
You
an
know,
inch.
we
Yeah,
might-
you're almost there
We
when you
might
did
wanna
that.
try to cut that.
Just
fucking
push.
thing.
Oh, is it hitting on the firewall?
Yeah, it's hitting the firewall. That's the problem.
Hey, where is that? Let me show.
It's interesting is mine clears by a mile for some reason.
Engine's just back there against the firewall.
Why don't we just cut them off, Mike?
Well, do we have to pull the engine forward to do that?
Now get a hacksaw in there.
A hacksaw? Oh, I thought you were going to use the flaming wheel of
Well,
death.
I would, but I
I
don't
think
think.
if we
It needs to be.
Cover
All right,
it.
I'm ready.
got your safety glass.
I do.
Don't hit you with that.
Yeah, baby. Fuck.
May as well do the other one.
I'm glad you got the
Where did the
cardboard on
pieces
intake
go?
now, Paul, there.
Yeah.
Where did the pieces
Yeah,
go?
here's some little chunks.
Yeah.
Must be hot.
Just chop this off.
John, you see
And
the
that.
piece where it went?
No.
So, am I going back?
Yeah, you can go
Yeah,
in.
go back.
Good here, good here.
Go down.
Lower?
Well, tip, sorry.
Oh, lower or tip?
Tip.
Yeah, now the chain is hitting that firewall.
You gonna tip it some more, or are you okay?
Well, the chain's hitting the firewall now, so that's not going to go back. I think you,
Oh, well, you gotta drop it
you
down.
can drop down.
Drop it
Okay.
down.
We've got an inch or
I
two.
think it's going to go right in.
Okay,
There.
there we go.
In on this side.
Yeah, that was the same thing as
Okay,
last
now I
time.
need to level it up a little bit.
Okay. I'm gonna try to keep mine on.
Oh, yeah, it's almost
Mine?
Almost.
It's about to fall in. There he goes,
There we
right
go.
there.
Okay, lower?
Okay, lower. So there's like a tongue on the top.
Yes.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I see it.
So it should be grabbing the top.
It's
of
about to.
So you're gonna have a real problem getting the bolt out of here.
That's what I was afraid of.
Here, come forward.
Come forward.
Lift it up.
towards the
Lift
front
it
of the
up.
car.
Lift it up. Up.
Gotta use, stay
Up.
right
There we go. Okay, so that's on that one.
Do you want to run motor mount bolts on there?
Well, I do.
So Steve, hopefully when the transmission is maybe tip forward a little more. Maybe
Hey,
at the
hold
tail
on,
of the
hold on, hold on,
transmission?
hold on. Lift it up a little bit more, Mike. Okay, so let's see if we can get both of these through here.
So you take the bolt. Which way you